Paul, the latest acquisition then, the MX520. First thing, it's your first 5-axis machine.
Yeah.
So why have you bought it?
Well, essentially, 3-axis machines were becoming a problem for us in the number of setups we had to do due to the complexity of components. So 5-axis machine gives us that flexibility, the opportunity to reduce setups and turn around parts quicker for the customer.
A great example is straight to this component here.
Yep.
How many ops was it previously and how many ops is it now?
So initially it was 34 operations. We did a reduction exercise to get it down to 25, but then putting the new machine in place brings that down to 7.
Right.
So to put that into perspective, 5 of those operations are on other equipment or subcontract processes.
Right. So why have you bought Matsuura? Why have you bought the 5-axis?
So 5-axis predominantly because traditionally we had 3-axis machines and plenty of them, but we didn't have the flexibility and the capability we needed to make the parts that are being demanded these days by the customer. Matsuura, excellent machines, we've used them before. We had one here for 30 years.
Yes.
It was a very good and reliable machine. The service backup from them is excellent. Also, it's a very capable machine, and from a quality standpoint, it's very accurate as well.
Looking at Matsuura, you're thinking Rolls-Royce pricing. Is that true?
No, it's not, and you know it's okay. It's not the cheapest machine on the market,
Yep.
But it is very capable. And at the end of the day, I want a machine that's capable, reliable, and is going to be there. You know, having had 30 years out of the last one, you know, there's over 30 years, you can actually say it works out quite cheaply.